Hey everyone, this is an update for Kiss the Ground speaker training. We just completed week 3. The subjects we've gone over are finding your why, week 1. Week 2, we got into differentiating between degenerative, sustainable, and regenerative. And week 3, we just finished how healthy soil is actually built. This course is really exciting so far. We have 123 students from over 13 different countries. And one of my favorite things about the course so far was finding out the wide variance of why people want to take this course and get better at presenting this information. And also the amazing collaboration that's been happening online and partnerships and people in class, and that people are giving new ways to express this idea. Announcement today is we have our next class scheduled June 12th, Tuesday, June 12th. The 7-week course will start again. If you or anyone you know wants to take the course, go to kisstheground.teachable.com and you can find out about the course and sign up there. If you have particular questions, you can email speakertraining@kisstheground.com. We want to thank Epic, who sponsored this course. Thank you so much, and we hope to see you all later. And please join the course or suggest it to a friend. Thanks.